Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about real-time scenario-based problem. Problem is like suppose you want to check uptime of multiple servers. First of all create a file called 5.sh and then use for loop to read hostname. I is the variable which is used to store the value from the text file, that is hostname.txt.uptime is a Linux command which is used to check the uptime. I hope you like this solution and got the basic idea about how to use uptime effectively. If you want to know more uptime command, run man uptime. Mention your query in the comment box if you have any. For more interesting interview QA you can click on below link. linuxcuriosity.blogspot.com. For complete scripting kit please click on below link. payhip.com web link. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting video. Thank you for watching this video.